this is now sitting out there. So got a little bit to do here. I'm just trying to work out how I'm going to structure this front edge here so that water can still get down through there, a collection area somehow here. So at the moment I'm going to have a cup of tea, which is interesting because I don't have any tea on board, so I'm going to have a cup of coffee and I'm just going to sit here and ponder a bit and see what I can come up with. And again, it would be so much easier if this boat wasn't constantly moving. Oh. Look at this incompetence here. Turns out my little arc thing didn't quite work as well as planned. Alright, we will thoroughly bog the crap out of that and no one's going to know. Tweaking required. I think there's got to be a panel that goes in here too, by the way, for those that are thinking, well, that's a big gap, you twit. Down here's alright. Problem is that gap in there, there's a bit of an old fairing in there. Oh, it's not too bad. Okay. That was a lot more successful first up than I was anticipating. Right, time to trim the bugger up. I'm just going to draw a line. So I know where this puppy should go back together. I'm also going to put a bit of a line in here. If you draw a line like that and one like that, you should kind of be able to line it up pretty well, eh? So, job's done in that regard. We'll do something like putting a front on here. That's what this one's for. Cool. Cool. Couple of things to fix, obviously. We're not caring about the roof so much anymore. But yeah. Quite pleased. Okay, temporarily done a basic screw off. 4 down there. And there's 4 down here somewhat. Sander's gonna fix this crap. But yeah. So that's how she looks from the outside just now. So compared to the one that was there previously with growing out this far, which is actually gonna mean that it's gonna be possible to have showers in there without too much drama. And we haven't lost too much of the gap here. And if you look carefully, you'll see that it slants ever so slightly back that way. And believe it or not, that is on purpose, because broad shoulders, when you're going through, you move like that, legs are fine, hips are fine. So anyway, now I've just got to motivate myself to cut the door while we're rocking and rolling outside still. Might have to have a cup of coffee and motivate myself. Let's hope that this wind dies a little bit further, because she's rolly. Doesn't look it. You can see the dinghy going up and down. Look at the motor. So yeah, it's just constant. Anyway. So the cup of coffee went on for a little bit. Oh, am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. My cup of coffee that I was having while my cup of coffee I was going to have while I was contemplating cutting the hole in the door, kind of just dragged on with me going home. So I'm back the next morning. It's actually New Year's Eve today. I don't know when this video will be out, but yeah, it's the 31st of December. Pretty flat outside, which is probably the perfect weather for doing this sort of stuff that I've been doing. So I've put a little bit of paint somewhere. Nothing of note. You won't be interested because it just looks like white on white. And aside from that, I'm sitting down having a coffee in the morning. Bloody hot, very hot, and yeah. Right, job's done. So the openings were the 25mm, well, a little bit different top and bottom, smaller than the door. There's our opening, and back there there's the door that's fallen over. And this is a lot bigger than what it was. So yeah, stay tuned for more. I better vacuum that up. Off talking for New Year's now. Ciao. Or maybe have a cup of coffee first. Yeah, I'll do that. Just a quick update. So I've done quite a bit of sanding here. And down here I've got to get the rest of that paint off. But that area is going to be fiberglass to the new bottom of the shower. But I got all through border sanding, and I didn't record any of it because if you want to watch sanding, you should probably go find a different channel. Like maybe Sailife, Mads. He is probably the world expert at sanding, and I think he enjoys it too, the rumour has it. Anyway, so you can do that, otherwise. So I've made up some 406 and West System epoxy, and I have screwed and joined these permanently now. I think I need to run my finger down there again. You can see a couple of gaps. Probably when I moved it for that panel over there. And I've just got this one here to do. So I just loosen screws off, put a whole lot of epoxy behind it, and then screw it back on. And that should create a permanent bond. So I just cleaned it off with acetone first, or acetone. And later on today, I'm going to put a thicker fairing down there before any mean brush shows up, so you can put epoxy on epoxy. And then tomorrow, if I remember, I'll bring some fiberglass cloth out, and then I'll do the sides and stuff and make it all nice and strong. And do whatever else I feel like I should probably do. I might start making my little area to collect water. My little area to collect water at the bottom of the shower here. So that's going to slope pretty flat to this reinforcing part here, part of the hull, and then it's going to go down there, and I'm going to create a corner with a low spot in it. And in that low spot, I'm going to put something to collect the water out of it. So I might see what old Burns Cove or All Marine have got tomorrow. Mind you, All Marine's not open, I don't think, so we're going to Burns Cove tomorrow morning. Alright, I'm probably going to finish this off and go for a swim, and I'll magically appear here tomorrow. I think that's going to be the plan. As you can see, just around the edges of the new shower wet room, and yeah, just put some floating compound in the corners, and I'll fiberglass this into place. I've got a couple of lips here I need to get rid of. That's just laminated core flute, which is what they make real estate signs out of often. So I just had 3 layers of that, and then just put it down with fiberglass over top. There's something funny going on in this corner. So yeah, I just need to get the edges off, and yeah, I can probably put another couple of layers on today if I don't muck about too much. That'll be good. Anyway, it's blistering hot here today. There's no wind, and it's about 28 degrees outside. So yeah, I better crack on with it. If you're wondering where my transducer is with the cut-off cable, but the new one's going to come in here, and the tool's going to sit on top of it. So to get it out, I've got to get the toilet out. So I've got to make it reasonably easy for myself to get the toilet out. Otherwise, that's going to be a pain in the butt. Yeah, I've just made this little area, and I'm going to put this chop strand down. I don't know if I got lucky or I did something right, but I got something square in a boat that's got no parallel or straight edges. Anyway, so this is going quite well. Change of mind in regards to finishing this area. I've got this bit here to do. I'm actually going to chop strand fiberglass the whole lot. I'm just going to pick up some special chop strand that can work with epoxy. So I'm going to chop strand the whole lot and take my time. I'm going to sand this better, and then I'm actually going to try gel coating the whole area on top of the chop strand with a final coat of what's called flow coat on top, I think. It's just that this fairing, and it's just taking forever, and I don't think I'm not achieving what I want to achieve. So I just come across some suggestions online and etc. Well, that's pretty good. Yeah, I got that edge nice. About just using chop strand followed by gel coat without the wax in it, and then flow coat finally on top with the wax on. So I've got a chance to build it up. So in here I just got a little bit of corner piece and I've got that piece to go. Just a little bit of progress. This is first coat. I got to a point last weekend where I ran into paintbrushes. This is the gel coat going on. A couple of lumps here to sand down. Give it a wash, oh sorry, give it a sand. Give it a wash, oh I missed a spot there. So give it a sand, give it a wash, and I brought a 4 litre tin so I should not run out next time. Yeah, it's coming up alright though, isn't it? It's always going to have that texture of fiberglass in it. Yeah, I don't really mind. It's in back and beyond on all the other parts of the boat anyway. And I'm sold on this gel coat stuff. I'm just going to keep using it for painting everything in the boat, I think. I mean, it's going to be interesting to see how it comes up on a well finished panel, but it's nice and shiny and easy and quite tough. I've been having a bit of a play with it. The plasticky bits left over. And there's some flexibility in it. Bugger. I better pick that up. But anyway, there's some flexibility in it, but it's also quite strong too. And pretty easy to apply it. It goes off pretty quick though. Yeah, about the same speed as epoxy. Anyway, back to it.